Kopis jong District Sport Officer Bhoi District Nongpo mentakasikan retorik menelur ke 8 no eka District Level Youth Exchange Program arja apply halor kamat Building a Better World Partnering with Youth ya kabala penlong ha District Library Nongpo hakan ni ka program ka ba arsni kanthi kabla yo ban sedang henen kasni ka santrik menelur rasakhi ka jingkop ba per ka bukan top ka jingkop draw ka jingkop airong ka jingkop purkten drama ka jingkop ruwai tenrai ka jingkop shat quiz bat kiwi hakabal awan ban chimenta na South Ligi block na Bhoi bukan top ika jirang block umling block sning block borembong block bat ki NSS na Bhoi college hakan ika singil awan ban sakhi da Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police Bhoi ka kong Paidalin El Nonglai DSO Bhoi uba Eric Kelvin Dekhar MCS BDO umling block ka kong Darlin Masharing bat ka Samla Jessica Lingdo ki badai ginong roy bala pawa ka jella uba Bobby Nongbet DSO Bhoi lembat kiwi ki officer bat ka Samla ki balawan ban chimenta hakan ika singi kumban shi thu ginong job na ka district level kinyo ya ka lat ban chimenta ha ka state level kaban solong shan hanong ba shlong
which anyone can do as a youth if you are motivated and if you are determined. And I will also tell that at this young age, I want to mainly target one thing about drugs. People of the state, many of the youth are undergoing severe problems because of the drug. When this program was happening yesterday, we caught 3 persons smuggling drugs, and it was worth 9 crores trying to spoil the youth of Meghalaya. And this program was happening, this thing also happened. When the youth one side were enjoying and talking to each other, at the same time, the youth of others were getting spoiled by the drugs. So I would urge each and every one of you present here to ensure that you talk to the people whom you know who are addicted to drugs. Please ensure that it has to be reported to the police, and we should want young generations to get addicted to drugs. So I always want you to promise me. Will you all promise me on this? Yes, sir. So we need this thing. And apart from that, I will tell you, at the age of 25, I cleared UPSC Civil Services. And you know who is in charge of recruiting for Civil Services, IAS and IPS? Which organization? Anything? Guess? It is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. And you know who was the chairman of UPSC that time when I joined IPS? He was a person from Meghalaya himself, Professor Bharat David CMP. So forget joining IAS and IPS, you can also ensure that you recruit for IAS and IPS. That is the potential youth of Meghalaya has got. And I always want to urge you to go to that level. Not the district, not the state, not the country, but the world. You have to think about the world, and this is the right time. So I urge each and one of you present here that age is just the limit. After that, the sky is the limit. So all the youth, with this 2 years program, you have derived enough motivation from all the youngest, especially Madam the SEO. So she's a youth herself in mind and heart. So she's always been a good guiding factor for all of you. So I urge each and every one of you think about it and think at the right time, because age comes later. But the point is the energy. Energy you have right now is the most strongest. Please utilize it for positive and constructive purposes. You will always see the sky as a limit.